Hi guys, Lee here from Trading College. We're going to take a look at this pound US dollar trade that I'm running. And I want to show you what I was looking at here. We managed to start getting long this yesterday. Oops, I'll just show you the trade. Get a ticket over from the account. So we're making about 900 quid. I think it's going to drop down to about 800 by the end of today because I'll tell you the reason why in 1 second. But we were looking at this last night on our coaching webinar. And I went long, and I spoke about this on IGTV today about getting long the pound because of certain reasons. So let me show you what I was doing today. All right, or yesterday when I started to get into this trade. So here's the pound US dollar, and let's just make that. I was going to make it slightly bigger for you, but I'm sure you can see that okay. Now our trend predictor on the monthly. So the month of February, we had a trend predictor close long. So this is a monthly chart. Trend predictor close long. So when we get a trend predictor long, it says that there is an 80% chance that we could close up the next month. So now the candlestick next to it is the monthly chart, the current open chart. Okay, so let's just open it up for you. There you go. So this candlestick here is the one that's live now. You'll see it moving over here on the right hand side. And you'll see the P&L going up and down here on this trade. So that gives me a heads up that all I'm going to be looking for is long trades for March. All right, so let's go down to the smaller time frame. So then we start to drill down. So then everything now is going to be a long trade. I'm not going to be looking for short type trades. Okay, so now you go down to the smaller time frame. Here is a buy signal here. Here is a buy signal here on Pro Trading System, and this is roughly where I got in on this trade. Okay, so this is still February, so I'm not interested in long side in February because the trend predictor was it closed in February, and then it starts telling you, well, okay, well, March you're going to look for up trades. So I look for up trades, and looking for the up trades, I can do 4-hour chart long trades. I can go down to the 1 hour. You know, I can just start looking for long trades only. I can even, be even quicker and faster on the trades. I could do 5-minute trades and go and bank 50 odd pips today if I wanted to. But being on the TV today, the IG, then TV platform that they get us on every month for charting the market, I just want to try and hold for a swing trade. So that's a good way. It gives you the heads up of where the market is going to go next. And the same thing if I wanted to trade in the direction just for the week. So this is the weekly chart. Now the monthly chart, the whole of March, the pound might be against the US dollar might be long all the way into maybe April and further, in fact. If I'm doing it on a weekly time frame with the trend predictor here, I'm just looking for the trade probably just for a week to be up. You see the trend predictor here, the last signal to go long, it said that the week after we're going to be up. So the great thing about that is that I'm ready to trade in that direction. You can see here we exploded higher from 130 all the way up to, what was it, nearly 134, 133 on that trade. So that gives me an edge in the market. There's some here, we're up for another week. There's one here. This one here is telling me that we're going to go down. You see, we dropped down for 2 or 3 weeks. This one we dropped down for 2 weeks. This one here was a huge move. I remember this very well indeed. Had the trend predictor, and then the week after that we were up. I was still looking for longs, okay, because then we got some light green on the PTS, and then we exploded to the upside. This was a short here, and you can see how successful the strategy is. So that's what I'm looking at. I'm looking at those types of trades where I can put the odds on my side and trade then in that direction. If you do it on the monthly time frame, then it's absolutely super because all the month you're just looking for long trades. It gives you that edge in the market. So let's take a little look at the stock markets here as well. And let's go and dive into the US markets, and let's have a little look at the daily time frame because this is what everyone's talking about. We're getting so many people just asking about where the markets are going. I spoke about it today. Now the Dow had a lovely drop on the PTS. Now we dropped, and look, trend predictor the last few days told us the market's going to go down. It dropped 500 odd points from that trend predictor short the next day. So we're at a situation here in the Dow is that we're still red on the PTS, so that's great, that's still bearish. Now we could start dropping from here, and if we do, then I think we're going to go to 22,000. If we continue higher up here, then I'm looking for new shorts and another move to the downside. So every which way you look at this, guys, I'm looking for short side trades. All right, we really have to get a green pro trading system, and we really have to get above here to ever start looking for markets that are going to go higher. We've got a long way to go to the highs. And I think even if we start to get to 28,500 on the Dow, that I think we could still then go further. I think the higher we go here, the bigger the drop's going to be. But we could start pushing from today, being Friday and Thursday, I beg your pardon, and we could start certainly dropping quite hard to the downside as well. All right, so there's another market. I'm going to look at the dollar yen, but I'm going to dive into that with the members update. Come and see us this Saturday, guys. Our Learn to Trade Live one-day classroom course, okay? Make sure you secure your seat. It is completely free. You can go to our homepage here at tradingcollege.co.uk, book here, or secure your seat with this banner down below. We do have a few places left for this weekend, all right? So it is in central London, and in fact, around the Waterloo area, and a great place to get to out quickly and in if you're coming from out of London. And look forward to teaching you how to trade the markets. Certainly a great time to be a trader. And I'm going to be there showing you the strategies that we use. All right, guys, speak to you soon. Take care. And don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel here, guys. Hit the subscribe button below this video, and you will get notifications on the next trading update. So I'll speak to you soon, guys. Take care. Hit that subscribe button, and I'll speak to you soon. Take care.